Welcome to the channel, everyone. If you are new here, my name is Lyndon Houston. In today's video, I'll be showing you and explain to you how to make gravy browning. Some people call it browning, and I'll explain what it is used for and how you can use it, also how to make it and how to execute a perfect recipe. Sit back, relax, let's get into the video. So now to execute this perfect recipe for your gravy browning, I have some molasses sugar, which they call it brown sugar. So I have about a cup of molasses sugar, cup of water to execute this perfect recipe. But if you don't have any, molasses sugar, you can use normal sugar to definitely execute this recipe. And basically, browning is something they use in gravy, for sauce, for soup, cakes. So it's very versatile, and it's good to know how to make these things. Obviously, mine run out. You can use it in steamed fish, brown stew chicken, brown stew pork, cakes, and various things. So normally, this is what they normally comes in. This is what it look like. So mine finished. So I decided, okay, I'll make some, and probably when I finish, I'll probably get about 4 bottles out of this, or probably we'll see how it goes. So sit back, relax, and we're gonna move to the next stage. So over here, I have a pan, stainless steel pan. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna put the sugar in first. Yeah. Basically, what you're gonna do, I have a whisk to hand, and this thing you have to watch it. Make sure don't leave it, because this sugar is a little bit different and it's a little bit richer to use. So we're gonna take our time, and you can't turn the fire up too high either. So make sure you watch it, and then soon it will start caramelize. You can see now the sugar start to caramelize there. You see it start giving off a little bit of smoke. So make sure you have a whisk, and this, make sure your fire is not high. As you can see, it start to melt. So now once you've seen this, you notice the smoke coming out of this. Make sure you keep turning it. So this is a proper recipe I'm giving you. Very important. Look at that. You notice, look at the color. Seeing that? So we're gonna give it a couple more minutes until it caramelizes. If you notice, it starts to give off some smoke. You see that? So when you do it like this, it doesn't stick in the bottom of the pan. So what I'm looking for in this is for it to caramelize a little bit more. I want it to get a little bit darker, and it's almost getting there. So now you notice, look at that. This is beautiful. This is absolutely fantastic. Look at that. See that? That's proper stuff. Make sure when you're doing this, you don't let this catch on your hand, I'm telling you. This is dangerous if you don't know how to execute that. You seeing that smoking? What we're gonna do now, we're gonna ease him off a little bit, give him a bit of stir. Make sure you keep working it. See that? And you don't want this to catch on your finger. Now you seen that color? Don't play with this. So now what I'm gonna do, water. See that? Be very careful when you're doing this. So normally the ratio, as I said, is a cup of sugar to a cup of water, but the techniques is what's important. Techniques, very important. So what I'm doing here, I'm just letting this boil for another minute. So this now, it's ready. It's good to go now. So you need to leave this and let it cool and then pour it out in a suitable container. Because this, you don't want it too thick. So I'm going to set this aside now and let it cool down, a while. Ladies and gentlemen, if you find value in this video, please do consider to like, share, subscribe, do leave positive comment. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.